Okay, guys. Okay, guys. I'm so excited. Look what I got. It's a smart board. It's a smart board by Kapp. And I need it because I do teach online courses for drawing and I'm a cartoonist. So we're going to get this thing done, okay? The smart board. Okay, so I did take out the top. It was delivered FedEx and it was supposed to arrive next week, but it arrived today. FedEx, you rock. Okay, so we're going to unbox this, and I don't think I've seen a Kapp smart board unboxed on YouTube, so I'll be the first. Okay, let's just get this unboxed. I'm gonna take it out. I'm not gonna show you how I unbox this huge monstrosity. It's like a TV. It's like a flat screen TV. It's like a huge flat screen TV, and this is my mirror. Okay, this is my mirror, and that's how big it is. Okay, but it's a 42-inch smart board. Hello. Okay, I had to lay it down. The one thing is that I bought it on eBay. It was $150. The guy was gonna give it to me for $120, but I literally made a mistake and I got it for $150. So he couldn't give it to me for $25 less. Otherwise, I would have gotten it for $125. But I think that's a really good deal because if you go on eBay, they're selling broken ones for $50, $75. So this one is $125 if I had bought it for $125. But let's unbox it. It's really heavy. My gosh. Hi. Okay, that was so hard to get out. But all these pieces fell out, and it's brand new. It's labeled as brand new. So, okay, let's see what we got here. I hope it works. We'll plug it in. We'll plug it in. If you've never heard of a Kapp board before, it's a smart board that when you draw on it, it goes onto this app, and then whoever watches on that app sees exactly what you are drawing, and you can even do it live. So it's like you're actually teaching a class, but they can see what you're drawing on their mobile device live. It's also good for conference, meetings, worldwide, wherever you are in the globe. This will basically show that person what you're talking about in a dry erase format. Now, why is that important? Because students can actually do it live, watch it live, and also they could record and then they could repeat whatever, whatever you're teaching. It could be math, it could be drawing, it could be, architecture, it could be a really important meeting, conference, whatever. I think it's really innovative, and, I'm pretty sure schools have them on campus. The schools that have this technology, they have smart boards. I think it's really cool. So I was looking and looking for this, and I finally found it. So let us take off this film right here. Oh my goodness. Look at that. There are no cracks. Don't see any cracks. Looking good. Looking good. Brand new. Okay. It's like a huge iPhone. Seriously. Let me plug it in. So the power unit has all sorts of connections here, I guess. Multiple global electrical connections. Okay, I almost literally died because I thought it was missing the USA component. Oh my god, it was stuck on the box. So I have it here. Okay, so let's slide that in. Yay! And it doesn't light up. I don't think it lights up. Okay, let's plug this puppy in. Yay! Okay, so you gotta flip it down and then plug it in. Here's a little plug unit right here. Was kind of interesting there. Okay, let's see if it works. Crossing fingers, because you never know what you're gonna get on eBay, right? Let's put this baby up. Hope I don't break it. Oh, for goodness sakes, it's heavy. It is glass, people. This is glass, okay? Let's put it back up like so. It's working. Yes. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Okay, so let's see what it comes with here. There is a barcode, QR code here that you have to, when you download the Kapp app, you're supposed to, snap that, and then it literally will turn on. So this does not light up. It's not a light up board whatsoever. It just does that, okay? Literally what fell out of the box is this little eraser here, which is magnetic. Let's take it out. So it says the Smart on there. I don't know if you can see it. It says Smart, and it goes on there, and that is the magnetic part. So you could basically just erase like so. Okay. It comes with dry erase board markers, some heavy duty screwdrivers there, the international electrical components. And that's about it. That's all it came with. So now we're going to that was an unboxing. I'm going to show you how it works a little bit later, review it basically, and tell you how it goes. I'm going to be using it definitely. I'm going to try to find a spot to mount this monstrosity, but I'm really happy I've got it. I'm so excited. Happy here. It works. And I'll give this guy a really good review. He doesn't have any more. I think he was just trying to get rid of stuff in his garage, and I got lucky. So yeah, I'll give you a review on how it works, and report back to you on YouTube. Well, thanks for subscribing, and please like, share, and comment below if you really like this unboxing. It's definitely exciting for me. I don't know if it's exciting for you, but oh, here's the spot for the pin. How cool is that? Awesome. All right, guys. Follow me on my channel at Dr. Zhivago or Dr. Zhivago Global. All right, guys. See you later. Bye.